The thing is, we're from my perspective is, I just it's the second cycle I'm in it, but it's really fascinating because on one side you got, what you guys said, all these geopolitical aspects, terrorism, low oil price, refugee crisis, potentially Brexit, maybe some other things that will come up. On the operational side, you got obviously some regulation and the leasing activity. You got IAFM, you got compliance, imposition, blah blah blah. So we are living in a much more constrained world. And on the other side, you got, well, it's kind of the same argument, but you can use it on the other side. Low price, so it's kind of good for certain aspect. You also have cheap financing, basically, when you can finance yourself. So it's still there. You have also a source of capital that has really widened. So there's more players on the ground, and from my operational side, so acquisition is still a tricky thing because, basically, could you be core or value add, you still have to queue up wherever you are. Maybe not if you're going to tier 2 cities in tier 2 countries, but I'm not so sure, some people within your boat should follow you. And on the other way, on the disposition side, when you got a proper asset, everyone wants to buy it. So it's kind of weird because you got a lot of red flags, political, social, etc., etc. The way of working within offices, the way of living within flats, the way of shopping, everything is changing, and still I don't know how this so much money flowing due to this large amount of capital because the other asset classes are not the benefit that they used to be, and there are also some new players, so it's kind of counterbalancing. And when you're Mehdi is like in this crystal tower and shifting the models and everything, so you can see maybe everything, but when you're on the ground running after the brokers to get the deal, you try to forget all that kind of things, and you're still focusing, and you got to invest.